Hey guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Opt-in Checklist. We are on the third step, I believe. Yes, the thank you page is the step 3. So I'm going to show you how to create a thank you page in your WordPress website. And what the purpose of that is to introduce yourself and your brand to them because they are opting in. So they need to get to know you a little bit. So it needs to kind of express your personality. And I seriously believe this is the most important page in your sales funnel. This is what lets them know that you care. This is what lets them know that they're in the right place. So if you don't do it right, they're going to forget all about you. Now there's 2 main purposes of your thank you page. The first is connect to your audience. The second is to deliver the goods. So you want to start your page off with a big fat thank you. And you can say anything say thank you however you would normally say it in your voice, like, oh, you're the man, or you're awesome, let's do this, or I love you so much. However you need to say it to let them know that you care about them in your own voice. So here's kind of the layout of a thank you page. And this is just a generic, well, not generic, this is just a, what's the word? I don't know. Like, you can do this any way you want to, but this is just one way. If you're just looking for, like, this is the answer, this is definitely one way that you can set up your thank you page to where your audience will be able to see you, get a feel for where they are, and then actually grab their goods. Okay? So let me go on over to my WordPress. I have that already pulled up. And this is my thank you page. It's already started in my WordPress. And so this is what it looks like right now. So it's in progress. It's obviously not finished. So I'm going to just finish this up with y'all watching. So like I recommend that you put a picture of yourself over here or either on this side, just like next to the text so they can see you and see your smiling face. So let's add a picture. So this I use this theme right here is Parallax Pro. Everything's a little bit different. I mean, every theme is just a little bit different. So however you add images in your personal theme, then do that. But let me do it here. So I think I have a decent picture of me somewhere already here. I might not. So I might actually have to go ahead and upload something from my computer. So let me do that because I don't see anything here. So let's upload files, select files. I know I have something in my downloads. Let's see, there's a recent picture of me. I'm not sure if I really want to use that because of that red shirt. It's not really my brand colors. Here's one that's more representative of my brand colors. So let's use that one. And then let me scroll down. I want to link it to none. That means that it does not, you can't click on it and go to that. Let's try it at full size. So this says right here, it says insert into page, sorry. So let's insert that into the page. Oh, that's going to be too big. So I want this to be the left of the text. I'm going to drag this to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything fancy, just so they can see your face and know who they're getting this information from. And then I want to make this a giant headline. So let's make this heading 1 and center it. And like I said, this is just using my theme. Your theme may not be the only one. So I already kind of worked on my copy here. Are you confused about all the different things you need to do in order to set up your opt-in? Well, you're not the only one, so let me make that one a little more stand out, I guess. That's why I've created the Ultimate Opt-in Checklist to walk you through all the steps you need to get your freebie working for you. So let me bold this part and make it also italic. And then I want to take this button and center it. It doesn't look like a button here. Why is it not centering? I said center. Well, let me go back in the back end. This is the HTML for it. So you're not the only one. So I'll create the Ultimate Option Checklist. So right here, it says center. See where it says center right there? That means that this is the A class equals button. That means that it should be centered. And then let me go back to the visual. So then I have an image of the actual opt-in checklist right here. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a second button. So let me go back to the text. I'm going to grab this A class equals button, download your copy here. So copy, so that is the actual button code. So I'm going to paste this underneath this part, and then I want to make sure that this is, let me go to visual. I want this also to be very, make it stand out a little bit more. So let's make that into a headline that is centered. So let me know if this has helped you. And then I have another button that says down your copy here. And then connect with me on social. Click any of the buttons below to find me online. I would love to hear from you. Or however you would say it. Like, you say this in your normal speaking voice. I mean, of course, you need to have a little bit of copywriting in there where you're like hitting pain points, all that sort of thing. This is a thank you page. If you've gotten them this far, then they've already, you've already used all those copywriting tricks and tips and all that to get them to this page. So this is like genuinely thanking them from the heart. So now that I've updated that, let's see how it looks. So let me refresh this. Refresh. Here we go. Thank you for downloading your copy of the Ultimate Opt-in Checklist. Are you confused about the different things you need to set up your opt-in? You're not the only one. So download your copy here. There's one button. Let me know if this has helped you. Download your copy here. And then see where it says edit. That does not show up whenever you're a visitor to my site. Although I do need to center this. So there's the social media buttons that I was mentioning. So let me center that button. Easy greasy. So let me find the second instance of that button. Alright, so I'm going to put a center tag right here. And then uncenter right there. Update. And that should center the button. So once it's finished updating, I'm going to hit refresh. There it goes. Let's check. There we go. Ta-da! That's it. So now you've got a thank you page that has all of the elements that your audience needs to see to know that you are going to help them and that you're going to connect with them. They have an image of me, and I'm kind of displaying a little bit of my personality in that image where I'm looking a little mischievous or whatever because I have a very playful personality. And then some copy that reminds them of why they're there. And a lot of times you can just use the same exact copy that's in your opt-in on your thank you page, so you don't have to worry about creating two different sets of copy. That's why I've created this for you. So this is talking to the pain point. This is saying I understand, and this is saying I am the answer to your problem, which in this case is how do you set up an opt-in, which is what we're learning now. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has helped. Talk to you next time. Bye.